seal visible cracks and utility penetrations promptly to restore chemical barrier continuity and reduce termite access after construction. For post-construction termite treatment, focus on creating a durable, continuous seal that prevents subterranean and drywood termites from bypassing treated zones. Start by mapping all foundation perimeters, utility penetrations, conduit runs, and expansion joints so you know every potential entry point. Use an approved exterior-grade silicone-modified polymer or polyurethane caulk for small gaps under 1/4 inch, and back it with a closed cell foam backer rod for larger gaps to ensure correct joint depth and adhesion. For masonry gaps and larger voids, use a cementitious exterior grout or polymer-modified mortar applied in layers until flush with adjacent surfaces to resist settling and weathering. Around pipes and cables, install stainless steel mesh collars sized to snugly fit the penetration and fasten to the substrate with corrosion-resistant anchors to physically block termite passage while allowing inspection. Access. For flexible connections and larger conduit bundles, pack with low expansion, pest-rated foam and then overcoat with a durable sealant so the foam remains protected from ultraviolet and moisture degradation. The most common mistake is using an interior caulk outdoors which fails quickly. Replace it with a labeled exterior product that resists ultraviolet and temperature cycling. Another frequent issue is leaving conduit and expansion joint voids only partially filled so termites can tunnel through settled material. Prevent that by backing larger voids with closed cell backing and applying material in stages until compacted and flush. People often ignore foundation vents and sill plate gaps near penetrations. Inspect vents and the full sill plate line at the same time you seal penetrations and apply continuous treated barriers or mesh where gaps are found so the chemical and physical defenses align. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for post-construction termite sealing and related repairs and provide resources about proper materials and methods. Our community discussion area lets us share real project examples, ask questions, and connect contractors looking for work with homeowners managing termite risk.